Got one. Got one. Or not, I guess. He said switch sides. It's alright.
I did not hear it. I'm so sorry.
I'm glad you got me in the back and not the throat.
I know.
What are you fucking doing?
Hey, go.
Jesus.
I'd yell at you, but I just did it.
Look, I'm fine, but like listen.
Yeah, I wasn't right on my hip.
Hold on.
A fucking safety. Sorry, Rowdy. Okay, we got roach on the right. Hit! Got roach. Got Chris. Hit! Got one down. Where are we at?
I think Casey's in the wood with his stoner.
I don't think they called it yet.
Don't they have an air horn?
Fuck.
What do you need?
Just trying to get my gloves on, that's alright.
Go!
Right behind you, right behind you.
Don't stop! Hit!
Going back.
Thank you! Stop going there! I don't know. I got one. Good call. I tried. Coming through, coming through, coming through. Coming. I got Tom. I can't believe I got him on that cross. Game, right? I took it over there. Picking the old dude. Oh, this is gonna be very fun. Here we go. I know you over there telling secrets. You over there telling secrets.
But not for this game.
Oh, good shot. Oh. You all right, brother?
Yeah.
All right, man. Way to hang in there.
Yeah,
You still have the fiberglass on you? No.
no, Roach got him on the back.
No, we're on my side.
Oh, sorry.
It's freaking dark in here.
Oh, you got shot?
Yeah, by him. Or where is he? Yeah, him. He did it.
What?
You wounded me. Inside and outside.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Hit.
Okay, time to go full on Russian.
Full on Russian. You never go full on Russian.
Never go full retard. No Russian.
No Russian.
I just need a machine gun.
Nice.
And some civilians.
Was in conversation.
Good, I don't have to worry about both of you assholes.
Twins.
No, I want you back over there. I gotta get you back. I'm out. You got me. Hit! Good job, Casey. Sorry, brother. Well, how far is the bang bang?
That guy came back and got you back.
I know.
I was like,
I was
ooh, that was a good one.
I got you running across. I couldn't believe that one.
Yeah, it hit me light, but I felt it.
Yeah, I was like, oh, I got him. What?
Yeah.
What?
Yeah.
King. He's attacking. He's still coming.
Good hustle, bro. When y'all get half point.
Go, brother. I saw you trying to crawl up.
Is you the one who snuck me?
Yeah.
Damn it, bro. I hope you got that on camera.
Yep.
All right. Yeah, don't follow me through the woods.
I was like, look at Chris.
Nice shot, dude.
Trying to get all slinky on me.